Hey there, lads and lasses, little Einsteins and children of all ages. The kids' block has come tumbling down, and you can catch it all in one place.
It's like all we have to do is collect a lot of coins.
Let's split up and see if we can find any clues out here.
The world shines with the light. Don't feel upset anymore.
This club totally needs a shake-up.
How's your sense of adventure? Check out this beach buggy insect bonanza. Ride on with Bug Spot. Man, we haven't even started. For a laugh, things get really goofy. You'll think it's silly season. Rove around with the rescue squad in Robocar.
Ready, set, have you met Robocar Police? Always there, anywhere, he's here to help you and me.
And we're gonna fill our think tanks with some prime knowledge in ABC Academy.
Let's Geo go!
Can no one tell me a good story? MASH saves the day.
That's cool!
If you think that's interesting, wait till you see this.
The ZTN Prime Kids Block. Catch it Monday to Friday from 3 to 5 p.m. on Channel 294. Hey, that's ZTN Prime. Get the picture?